Imagine this for a second. You wake up, you're late, there's traffic everywhere, but instead of getting stuck, you just hop on a flying bike and go over everything. Yeah, that's actually becoming real. This thing is called the Volonaut Airbike, and honestly, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's basically a motorcycle, but it flies. So here's the crazy part. This isn't using wings like a plane or big spinning helicopter blades. It's using this powerful jet or fan system underneath that literally lifts you up into the air. And you just sit on it and control it kind of like a bike. Like, bro, you're basically riding a drone. No runway, no long takeoff. You just go straight up, then move in any direction you want. Forward, sideways, whatever. It's wild. And this is why people are losing their minds over it. Because think about it. No more traffic. You could just fly over everything. Plus stuff like rescue missions, military use, even city travel. This could completely change how we move around. But yeah, it's not perfect, obviously. Right now, it's probably super expensive, flight time isn't that long, and safety is a big question. Like, imagine falling off that thing. Yeah, no thanks. And also, governments are not just gonna let people fly around cities like it's GTA. There's going to be a lot of rules. But still, this is just the beginning. Technology always starts like this, expensive, limited, and then slowly becomes normal. Phones, cars, even the internet, same story. So who knows? Maybe in the future, instead of buying a car, you're buying your own flying bike. And be honest, would you actually ride this thing, or are you too scared? Drop it in the comments. And if you think this is insane, hit like and subscribe, because stuff like this is just the start of what's coming.